Alright, Harper, you ready for your geocache walk? Today we are at Spokane River. So let's go up and take a look at this map real quick. Now this is another location where dogs have to be on leashes, so we will respect that. But let's go ahead and start our geocache adventure. So we have the Gateway Regional Park, and we're going to check out Dogger. So Dogger's listed as a 1.5 out of 5. We'll go ahead and take a look at the details here. Just a quick find while taking your caching crew for a walk. The name was chosen by the wee pirate. Enjoy. Okay, so our hint is it's in the shrubs, not over the edge. So we will go ahead and start our journey following that geocompass. Let's go ahead and bring out the geocompass. Stand here for just a second and let this collaborate. It's saying we need to head off. Okay, so let's go ahead and start searching for this geocache. We'll pull out our compass here. Okay, the geocache we're going for is over there. This is saying we're going in the right direction. So let's go ahead and bring out $147 feet. Okay. Well, I'm not too familiar with the area, and we have two options. We have that trail and this trail, and they're not that far away from each other. So I think based on the estimate I have here, it'll look closer to the river, so let's go ahead and take the river trail. Let's go and take a look here. It looks like we may have overshot it, so let's go ahead and turn back around. Okay, so we're at that 50 feet mark, and this is usually where my geocompass is going to start telling me that I'm in the right area, but not really put me much closer. So we do have about 30 feet here, and we are coming back to that same intro location here. So let's see what we can find. The hint was it's in the shrubs. Smell it, Harper? I'm just going to sit down for a second and kind of regroup a little bit. Let's take a look at that geo compass. Okay, so I end up coming back out of that spot, and I'm gonna start searching more in this direction. The compass kind of made it seem like it was behind me. So what I haven't done yet is gone down to the beach and look at the edge there. But the hint did say over the edge, that it's not over the edge. So, oops, Harper. That makes me wonder, though, if it is not down here, because this would technically be over the edge. But let's see what the compass says. So the compass says that I am 11 feet in front of it. So this is, in fact, down by the beach area. And we will search around a little here too. Okay, so I didn't have too much luck in that area. I'm still going to go with the hint that says it's not over the edge. And we will go back up here.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, no, it's okay. It's completely okay. Come on, Harper. 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 This is a very worn down path, and it just says I'm here. So it's not over the edge. And that's where my geocache was pinging me at earlier. It's not over the edge, so I think we're left to these shrubs, so let's start looking. Oh, is that it? There it is. Found it. But it is empty. There's nothing in there. And it smells like alcohol. So I don't think that this is the geocache that I was looking for in the shrubs. Well, guys, I have not yet found this one. And it's a very highly muggled area. So that's kind of preventing me from getting a deep look, because every time I start getting close into these shrubs, you know, somebody comes along, and I gotta at that point stand up and kind of, you know, not make it seem so odd. But you know, that GPS says it's in here. I see a lot of foot traffic in these areas, so it's definitely something where, you know, this is not an easy one by all means. Again, more muggles, so we will stop recording here for a second. Oh. Okay, I'm still not seeing it. There are, like I said, more and more Muggles coming into the area this afternoon. So I think what I'll do is save this particular one for another time. Maybe I'll hit this one up earlier in the morning, and when there's less chances of being seen. They said it was a highly trafficked area during the weekends, and I can definitely see that. This is a weekday, and it's still got a lot of traffic going on. So we will come here. I know it's somewhere here in these shrubs, not over the edge. So we will check it out. If someone who's watching this video has already found that geolocation, don't give me the exact location, but definitely drop a hint. What does the container look like? Is it in a container? Obviously the bottle that is near is not the geocache bottle. This is our geocache adventure here at Spokane Rivers. Name of that geocache was Dogger, and we will be doing a part 2 video on that when we have a different opportunity to come out and cache that location without so many Muggles in the area.